You want to do it?
You want me to do it?
No,
Okay, how about what if we do it together? In the cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown...
It's something on my egg.
Let me start again, bud. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown...
Bear.
Let's turn the page. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the
Night.
The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear...
The parents don't want to see broken cars.
No cars out there. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold...
No.
Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights sweet twigs with a small, hot...
Bark.
That's right. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't...
Stop.
But the bear...
Everyone.
But the bear...
Snores on.
Snores on. Yeah. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare
Hassan.
pops in. That's right. "Home, mouse," says hare. "Long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew. What do they brew?
The black tea.
Black tea. That's right. Mouse sips. Wee slurps. Hare burps. Big.
Bear had to do this.
Oh, yeah.
Bear had to do it.
Yeah, he pats his back.
Hare burps. Big.
Bear gonna do it after he snap.
What happened now? But the bear...
Bear gonna wake up and put
The fire out. But the bear...
Snores on.
Snores on, that's right. A badger scuttles by, sniff snuffs at the air. I smell yums, perhaps we can
Cheer.
share.
Mousy wants some.
Yeah, I've brought honey nuts, Badger says with a grin. Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in. And they nibble and they munch with a chew-chomp crunch. But the bear snores on, that's right. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door.
Here's 11.
Yeah. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den, that's right. They tweet and they twitter, and they chat and they chitter, but the bear...
Up there. There's a card up there.
Yeah, but the bear
Snores on.
snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own...
It's
a party in there. He sleeps through the party in his very own...
Yeah.
lair, that's right. Hare strokes the fire. Mouse seasons the stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear... Achoo!
Here's a bear.
Yeah. No, the bear's way over here.
What's this?
Is that the badger? He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd...
That's the bear.
Look at that bear.
He's our nose.
Yeah. He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes.
I can't see Mousy.
Where is that? Oh, right there, bud. That little mousey.
It's doggy.
And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he... Yeah. Does he grumble?
Yeah.
Growls and he grumbles. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I have had...
None.
And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans.
Bear say, Mousy say hello.
Yeah. And the bear...
Blubbers
on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea. Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustery
night.
when the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear
What's
dawn.
this?
Bear can't sleep,
I can't see
but
a
his
mouse.
friends.
Don't go. That can see when next to a mouse.
What but his friends? Snore on.
Somebody can make some more.
They're going to do some more popcorn. They're going to pop more corn and brew more tea.
Yeah.
The
This all
end.
Mousy drink it all up.
Oh, the mousey drank up all the tea?
Yeah.
Oh. That's a really nice story. That's one of
I
Mama's
can't
favorites.
see a mouse